Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of Digital Fundamentals. I am your instructor Farnaz Patel and today we'll be learning module 2 topic which is encoders and decoders. So the content we'll be covering today is encoders, examples of encoders, decoders and examples of decoders. So what are the encoders? So encoders are combinational circuits that converts the binary information into n output lines. So the binary information is passed in the form of 2 raised to n input lines and it will give n bit code for that binary input. As shown in the block diagram, the input is 2 raised to n or less lines and outputs are n outputs. The examples of encoders are priority encoders, octal to binary encoders, decimal to BCD encoders, etc. So it basically takes 2 raised to n input lines and convert it into the n bit code for that input. The very first encoder is octal to binary encoders. So it will accept the 8 output lines D0 to D7, which are the octal lines, and it will give 3 output lines X, Y, and Z. Here, each input line corresponds to its relevant octal digit and 3 outputs will generate corresponding binary code. So for the D0, the combination 0, 0, 0 will produce. When D0 equals to 1, X equals to 0, Y equals to 0, and Z equals to 0. Same for D1, the combination will be 0, 0, 1. For D2, this encoder will generate 0, 1, 0, which is binary form of the octal number 2. Same for the number 3, it will generate 0, 1, 1. For number 4, it will generate 1, 0, 0. For number 5, it will generate 1, 0, 1. And for number 6, it will generate 1, 1, 0. And for D7, it will generate 1, 1, 1. Here we have to make equations for X, Y, and Z separately. So here we can see that for input D4, D5, D6, and D7, X will be 1. For input D2, D3, and D6, D7, Y is 1. And for input D1, D3, D5, and D7, Z is 1. So as per the truth table, the equation are X is equals to D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7, Y is equals to D2 plus D3 plus D6 plus D7, and Z is equals to D1 plus D3 plus D5 plus D7. So here is the logic diagram of octal to binary encoder. This will accept octal code 0 to 7 and it will generate X, Y, Z. That is its output combination. So as per the equation, we have connected D4, D5, D6 and D7 into the first OR gate. In the second OR gate, we connected 2, 3, 6 and 7. And in the third OR gate, we connected 1, 3, 5 and 7. So this is the logic diagram of octal to binary encoder. Next is decimal to BCD encoder. So as the name suggests, it will accept 10 input lines which are 0 to 9 and 4 output lines A, B, C, D because BCD code is 4-bit code. So here each input line corresponds to the each decimal digit and 4 outputs correspond to the BCD code. This encoder accepts the decoded decimal data as an input and encodes it to the BCD output which is available on the output lines. So here is the truth table of decimal to BCD encoder. So here inputs are Y0 to Y9. When Y0 is equals to 1, the output will be 0, 0, 0, 0, which means A will be equals to 0, B will be equals to 0, C will be equals to 0, and D will be equals to 0. Same for input Y1. The output will be 0, 0, 0, 1, which is BCD code of Y1. For Y2, it will give 0, 0, 1, 0. And same for the Y9, it will give 1, 0, 0, 1. As we can see, we have to make 4 output equations, which are A, B, C, and D. For output A, Y8 and Y9 is 1. So the equation will be Y9 plus Y8 For output B, equation will be y7 plus y6 plus y5 plus y4. For equation C, y7, y6, y3 and y2 is equals to 1. So C will be y7 plus y6 plus y3 plus y2. And for D, equation will be y9 plus y7 plus y5 plus y3 plus y1. As per the equation, we have to make the logic diagram of the decimal to BCD encoder. Here y0 is not connected to any line because it is not present into any of these equations. So for equation A, y8 and y9 is connected to the OR gate. Same for equation B, equation C and equation D. So this is how we will generate decimal to BCD encoder outputs, which will be A, B, C, D, a 4-bit output. Next is priority encoder. Till now we saw that at the time only one input were active high, but there can occur a condition where one or more inputs are active high. So in that case, we will use priority encoder. The priority encoder we are going to see today has 4 inputs and 3 outputs. So as I explained, an encoder has 2 raised to n inputs and n outputs. But this priority encoder will have the third output, which is V bit, which is valid bit indicator. So V bit is set to 1 when one or more inputs are active or equals to 1. This valid bit is 0 when all the inputs are 0, meaning that there is no valid inputs, and this condition will be considered as don't care condition. Here in the priority encoder, the highest priority or highest importance will be given to the most significant bit. So here is truth table of priority encoder. It will take inputs D3, D2, D1 and D0. Here input D3 is MSB and D0 is LSB. So priority will be given to the D3. For the combination 0, 0, 0, 0, valid bit is 0 because there is no active input. So the output A1 and A2 will be don't care. For input D0 equals to 1, D1 equals to 0, D2 equals to 0 and D3 equals to 0, the output will be always 0, 0 and valid bit will be 1. For input condition, D1 is equals to 1, D2 is equals to 0 and D3 is equals to 0, D0 will be don't care. So it will not matter whether D0 is 0 or D0 is 1. So at the input D1 is equals to 1, output A1 will be 0 and A2 will be 1. For input condition D2 is equals to 1 and D3 is equals to 0. So when the input D2 is high, D1 and D0 will be don't care. So for any combination of D0 and D1, when the D2 is high, output A1 and A2 will be 1, 0. When the input D3 is high, it has the highest priority. So D2, D1 and D0 will be don't care. So any of the combination of these 3 inputs will not matter when the input D3 is high. So output will be 1, 1 for the input condition D3 is equals to 1. Here we will make the K maps for the output A1 and A2. For the input condition 0, 0, 0, 0, A1 will be don't care. For the input condition 1, 0, 0, 0, A1 will be 0. For the input condition don't care 1, 0, 0, here input condition D0 is don't care, so it will give combinations 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 0, 0. For these two combinations, the output A1 will be 0, and same for the other two conditions, which is don't care 1, 0. The output will be 1, and don't care 1. The output A1 will be 1. So this K-map will give equation as A1 is equals to D2 plus D3. For output A2, equation will be D3 plus D1 plus D2 bar. Here is the logic diagram of priority encoder. For valid bit V, D3, D2, D1 and D0 is equals to 1. And as per the equation, output A2 is generated, and as per the equation, output A1 is generated. Next combinational circuits are decoder. Decoders are the reverse of the encoders, so it accepts n line input and it will convert it into the 2 raised to n bit output code. So decoders are the combinational circuit that change the binary information into the 2 raised to n output lines. First example of the decoder is 2:4 decoder. It accepts 2 line inputs A and B and converts it into the 4 line output D0, D1, D2 and D3. Here, for each combination of the inputs, one of these 4 outputs will be 1. Here, for input A, B, at combination 0, 0, output D0 will be 1. At combination 0, 1, output D1 will be 1. At combination 1, 0, output D2 will be 1. And at combination 1, 1, output D3 will be 1. So for 4 possible outputs, D0, D1, D2 and D3, we will generate the output equations. So for D0, equation will be A bar B bar. For D1, equation will be A bar B. For D2, equation will be A B bar. And for D3, equation will be AB. Here we can generate the logic diagram of 2:4 decoder as per the given equation. So this logic diagram accepts 2 input A and B and gives 4 outputs D0, D1, D2 and D3. Next is 3:8 decoder. So here, as the name suggests, it will accept 3 inputs and it will convert it into the 8 line of output. So the inputs will be X, Y, Z, which is the combinations from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. For combination 0, 0, 0, the 0 will be 1, and for combination 1, 1, 1, the 7 will be 1. Same for the all other inputs. So we can make the equation of these outputs as D0 is equals to X bar, Y bar, Z bar, D1 is equals to X bar, Y bar, Z, and so on. So for D7, it will be X, Y, and Z. From this equation, we can generate the logic diagram, which is shown in the figure. So here the inputs will be X, Y, Z, and outputs are from D0 to D7. For output D0, input X bar, Y bar, and Z bar are connected to the AND gate. And same for the all other combinations. So this is how we can generate 3:8 decoder with the help of the logic gates. Here is the end of the encoders and decoders. In the next video, we'll learn about code converters, which converts one binary code to the another. Thank you.